There's been a huge technology revolution taking place in real estate.
Video is the most dominant medium out there.
50% of all internet activity is video. And the future of real estate is video.
By all means necessary, start with your iPhone. If you don't have a videographer, whatever you do, make sure that you're able to show video or show properties through videos.
Filmmaker Magazine wrote an awesome article that said, hey realtors, video does help market real estate.
Somebody calls me for this listing, I am not going to drive over there to show the listing. I'm going to say, watch the video. And if you like the video, I'm going to run over there and show you that property.
The beauty about video is that video never dies. If I create postcards, if I create pictures, you know, they disappear, they run out. Video is something that never dies. You can add it to your website, you can add it to your listing presentation. It's way beyond the sale that the video is used for if used effectively.